Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? Yo, we back in this bitch and see what we are doing. Yo, we got Rygin King with push up. As I said, this one was actually requested. I keep saying reacted. Yeah, this one was reacted. I believe like Blu-ray requested this one. Isn't one of our Dan Mafia family members. Let me check, be sure for you guys. Yeah, Blu-ray requested this one. Yeah man, Rygin King push up. Gang, I'm gonna check it out. So Rygin King I deal with. Yo, I've been hearing great news about Rygin King. Like he's making great progress in his therapy. You know, if you don't know, Rygin King is paralyzed due to the whole incident that happened back in the past. We won't get into all that, but yeah, I think I've seen like videos online where he's like actually walking by himself or starting to walk by himself. You know what I'm saying? Which is a good look. Which means that, you know, recovery is possible. We'll probably get Rygin King back to him full self in a near future. You see me? And it was really unfortunate because Rygin King was really at the top of dancehall at the time when that happened. You see me? So it's like crazy. Who knows where Rygin King would be if that the whole, you know, incident never took place. But whatever. You see me? We're there for Rygin King today. Dog grow, dog get better. One of them push up. I check it out and say dog I deal with. Rygin King a bad artist. Dog. Rygin King still bad artist. His consistency is slow down, but I still bad artist. You see me? I say, check it out and say dog I deal with. Rygin King push up. Let's get it.
Man a ball to me, no man. Nothing for do with me.
Nothing at all.
Got one nuclear can just kill off everything.
Hey!
One nuclear can kill off. Hey, that's it. Hey. When they got the machine, them, you know, dog. What you man
do with me.
Nothing at all.
Got one nuclear can.
Oh, please. Man, I'm going to go on our works, man. Well, arms up.
Just kill off everything.
Hey! Kuya!
Wait a second.
Tell me the.
Oh, bro, this beat, the sound, the beat, the sound, the quality, bro, this sound crazy.
Any man push up me, I shot them first. Pass me the rifle, I don't carry rust. Kill them and screw off their head like.
Any man push up, we are shot them first. Pass the rifle, not carry no rust. Hey, come in, Rygin, talk to them.
Boy, that tough. 3 don't left, boy, face in a mother. Dance with the care cause he love them brother. She might go and stuff, but a bad man.
She crooks in her blood, clear river. You see that? Easy now, man, ready to take a boy alive now.
In a mother.
Easy, watch ya. Yeah, man. That means I die them out here with the crocodile teeth them. Easy.
Dance with the care cause he love them brother. Yeah. She might go and stuff, but a bad man she love. Star blast. Rich and happy. Girl I suck it cocky while me in a traffic.
Rich and happy. Girl while me in a traffic. Come in no man. Man I leave my yo. Don't take it. Don't you see say that? Don't get it twisted. On to them. Come in.
Go and stuff, but a bad man she love. Star blast. Rich and happy. Girl I suck it cocky while me in a traffic. Care with the pan, put a dopey pan it. Gangsta she love, she all on my body. Me not.
He's in the right chin, man. This is our vibe. This is gotta go on the players gang. To you, talk to him right.
Just sing song, me live life lavish. I'ma just buy a Benz to them show for me. I got the new M4 with the scope on it. Still a busted all when me they are firing.
New M4 with the scope on it. Just buy a brand new Benz, brother. Life still lavish over here and we still got the things them. Not feel like nothing changed. You see me? Don't play with Rygin. Come here.
Fresh hairstyle, tell the barber pull up. White girl see me, say me got just you know. They don't stay roll out in. My new suit match 17 C. And that
I'm telling you, bro. This man have been doing chop dance all, you know, long before most people think that I'm a master it, you know, man.
the any and weed. Shallow grave boy get buried and eat. Dance to the crime intelligently. Then watch them on the spot or over surface. Any boy push up me and shot them first. Pass me.
To you. Pass the what? We're not carrying no what? Listen to the man.
The rifle we don't carry rust. Kill them and screw off their head like bulb. That tough. 3 don't left boy face in a mud. Dance with the cake.
3 don't left boy face in a mud. March with the cake. I love blood around here, brother. I want to cake come like vampire.
She love them blood. She might go and soft, but a bad man she love. Dollar dons. Tell them to roll out and get their money up. Yo, our levels to the game, we know the funny stuff.
Tell them to roll out and get their money up, brother. We throw to the game, we not do the funny stuff around here, man. You talk to them right.
Tell them to all out and get them money up. Yo, I levels to the game, we not do funny stuff. A couple things in my name, I still I run it up. You know me bang them brain anywhere me go. Me catch a Glock in her ears and I head a bunks. How them tell me them a gangster and them a
Man, I want you there. Tell say a gangster and a beat around here, brother.
punk. Man a king in a chair and I never stun. Look how my gold chain yellow like curry conk. Golf side, how we go? Full of girl with money enough. If up it
There's a gold chain. Yellow like curry conk. He's in a man.
Jacob here when I've screwed up. Couple shooter was slide past scooter. Bust the Ruger. Fling them down and take a Uber. Some brutal. Any man will play.
Hey, was that skipper in the video a while ago? That? I think that was skipper up already. I thought it was.
Bust the Ruger. Fling them down and take a Uber. Some brutal. Any man will play metallic. Kappa move that. Slam China chest out of the 7 shooter. Don't test them 87 youth, yeah.
Don't test them 87 youth, yeah. You get it? Because RPs are referred to bad man in Jamaica as 87s. Easy,
Any man push up me and shot them first. Pass me the rifle, I don't carry those. Kill them and screw off their head like bulb.
Yeah, that's tough. Easy now, man. Talk to them.
Three
Them screw off the head like a bulb around here. Come on.
Once left boy face in a mud. Dance with the cake cause he love them blood. She might go shy but a bad man she love. Stars plus. Richard up. Y'all suck it.
You not. Hey, easy now, Richard Happy. Yeah, hey.
He will me in a chop. Yeah, with the pan, put a dopey pan. Every man put up me a chop.
Oh, man, knock it on them, blow. Easy. Like ball. That's tough. Easy now, man. Big up Rygin King. Don't play with the dog. Play Rygin Trap Records. That got him one label. Yeah, man. Hey, don't play Rygin, bro. Rygin been doing this before enough of them youth. You see me as a gang. No joke. Hey. Come on, that was tough. No cap, gang. You see me? Let me know one thing about that one day. Yeah, Rygin King always doing this thing. You see me? Song quality always up there. Lyrics and all that beat and everything always tough. You see me? I say visuals always tough. Rygin been doing this thing. The only thing, bro, that changed about Rygin really is consistency, and I definitely understand because he probably in therapy a lot. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna try to get back to working, and I would probably focus more upon him health. But yeah, man, Rygin, the toughest in the dancer, bro. Sad what happened to the man, so down the man, dog. That never happened. Right now, Rygin probably be where like a massacre and them there. I ain't gonna cap to you. Rygin King up there now, don't get it twisted. You see me? But yeah, man, don't know. But he probably be the best star right now. I ain't gonna cap to you. Yeah, man, all them years then you done put in on it, you know? Yeah, man, because that make wicked conscious tune too, you know? You see me? No joke, man. He make conscious tune, vibe tune, girl tune, bad man tune, the dog. Tough, man. Big man thing. Yeah, man. But anyway, gang, let me know anything about that one day. You see me? Let me know if you're a part in the comment section. I don't know what time it is. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support me. They know so Jambisco and say, you see me? I say, yeah, man. And definitely drop your comments in the comment section. And drop your request. You already know you're gonna get a shout out in the beginning of the video and all that, man. And hit the like button. If you like the video, you make it this far in the video, hit the like button to help your boy out. Help me get me in the YouTube algorithm, alright? Hit more likes to give your boy more views, I guess. So help me out, man. Hit the like button. You don't know what time it is. Till next time, yeah. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.